Hello friends and family and everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today's video I want to share with you my LOL Easter basket. Everything came from Dollar Tree. Everything. Even the little posh bow I made. This is my posh bow, and we're going to use a cello bag, a gift bag to wrap this up in. Now, disclaimer, I've had some technical difficulties. I have done this basket 4 times. I had a blow-by-blow video tutorial on how to build it, but with technical difficulties, I couldn't save it. So I just want to, so now that it's already constructed, I'm just going to share with you what's in it, how I constructed it, and my philosophy. First, when I do an Easter basket or a gift basket for a child, I like to have like an activity, arts and craft item, a physical activity, and little trinkets and snacks and all that good stuff. And I found, and the inspiration, I found these bags. I saw these bags in here and I love them, and I love the artwork. I love whoever the graphic designers are and the cartoonists, whatever they are. They are awesome. The color scheme, everything. So I love the art of the basket. So then I started seeing other items in Dollar Tree to support it. So I saw this kite. It's a 22-inch kite, and here's the what it looks like. And so that's the physical activity item that I have in here. Here there's this Barbie fashion designer activity set where you can mix and match, and then there's an LOL. I don't think I can pull these out. Let me show you from. See, here are the books. Here's the LOL Jumbo coloring and activity book, and here is the fashion designer activity set. So I have that in the back here. Oh, at first, and what I was showing you guys, when you have a gift bag, you can build it up. You need to put something stable in there. I used a box. I received a package and I had a box that fit this perfectly. And then I covered that box with some tissue. Then I also put some shred, just like I do when I do a gift basket. Whatever filler or support system I'm putting in the basket to lift up our items, I put tissue on it, then I put some shred, okay? So, and then I try to find items that have some type of support. So that's going to be, our books are going to be our backing. And then I saw this LOL surprise cereal. These are hard to find, and when they are in Dollar Tree, they go fast. And these are a big family size. So let's see if I can pull that out. Okay. So I didn't tape anything down because I wanted to be able to show you guys. So we got this LOL cereal. So I love the artwork, like I said. So that's going to be my focal point. Okay. And then the LOL kite. Alright, we're going to stick that back in there. I need to hurry up and start talking fast, but I like to show, when I take time to film, guys, it's not something I want to rush through. I enjoy the process, and when I do schedule it, I like to just go on and make the most out of it, have fun with it, and learn from it. Okay, so that's going to be our focal point. So I didn't want a lot of that obstructed. So I got our little fuzzy friend in there, fill in the gap. And then we have another LOL. This is an activity art set. So I love putting some art activities in a gift basket, an Easter basket. And then there's some prayer cards, because this is a religious holiday. A lot of people, and I've heard people like saying, why are you putting all that religious stuff in it? Because this is a religious holiday. And if you want to This is the reason why we're doing all this, just to celebrate the resurrection of Jesus. Okay, so we got that. I put some snacks in here because I'm just going to lay them in here. They're going to rest on the box because I don't want to obstruct this artwork here. All right, and then we have here a little chocolate bunny. I'll stick that right there. And then we have some tech items here. Got a phone stand. You know, all the kids now have some type of phone or device. We got a USB port. So I'm going to put that in there. You can always have that on hand. Okay, so that's a lot of items in here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, good quality items, and the bag they'll keep. Okay, so here's what the back looks like. I have a lot of support back here, keeping everything up. All right. So since I've done this several times, this bag is crinkly, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to get a newer bag when it's time. We still got some time here. I still might want to add something else. So I'll put it in this bag just to protect it. If I go out, Easter's still a few weeks away, and if I go to Dollar Tree and if I see something else, then might want to put it in there. So I don't want to have it permanently packaged up. Okay, I'll take each corner here. I'm going to tape it under. And I'm doing this video while Tamron Hall is interviewing Ricky Smiley about the loss of his son. And so I have it on mute. I can't hear what's going on. So we're almost done. Okay, so I'm going to gather. Everything on top. Then we're going to, so here's what it looks like so far. And then this is my posh bow. You guys know I like my little signature bow. I call it my signature bow. It's just how I like to do it. And I just recommend you guys, create, if you're going to create your own bows, create a bow that, is pleasing to your eye. And that you think complements your style. This is designing, it's creating, it's not copying, but it's just giving you an inspiration. I just want to show you guys what you can do with these items that are out there. You know, don't let people make you feel bad if you choose something. Dollar Tree is just a merchant. They do manufacture their own stuff, but you know, you pick and choose items that you think are worth it. And I buy stuff from all different types of merchants. You know, if it's appealing to me, this is good. That's cute to me. And sometimes not all parents might be able to get around to getting these things. So, okay. I think this is a very well-rounded gift. It's cute. I mean, most of these kids, I mean, they're getting stuff all the time. You know, we just had Christmas, then there was Valentine's Day, now there's Easter, and then there's going to be, you know, birthdays and Christmas, and so I know your children are always getting stuff. So there it is. I got hot under these lights. Okay, guys, so here is our L. It's so cute to me. If I was a young girl, I would like this. So guys, thank you so much. Here's our LOL gift basket for Easter, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. And hit that like button if you like this video. All right. And if you have any comments, put them down in the comments section. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.